If you are looking to hire a UX designer for your agency or company, feel free to contact me at this email. Also, if you are looking and need with a project, I offer a free help to students, so you can email me about that too. I'll do my best to reply quickly. So I'm really excited to make this project. So let's make it quickly. Press F for MacBook Pro 16-inch frame and convert to this dark color and and just add a 64 pixel radius. Okay, now we are creating this type of background, but it is just for an example. We are creating a little bit of 0.1% different. So here is the okay, so this background size is good. Now we are corner radius change to 0 pixel and add another rectangle here. And okay, and now, and what did I do in it? Let's take a look. So the 744 by 238. Okay, now select this rectangle and background, two rectangles you can see here. So here is a two rectangle, so just select it and go to exclude and go to go to subtract selection and just change corner radius. 48 pixel was good, and just edit top left side. And now we are change height value. 260 was 70 was good. Okay, now add another triangle here, just select it and match. Okay, now what we can do is select edit object and pick this point tool and add it here. So you can see one point is gone, but top right point is gone, so it automatically convert polygon and polygon edit here. So you can see here, and now we are increase polygon size to 340 was good, and lock here. So here you can see, select this polygon and just control C and control V. या तो एंड एक और तरीका है इसको कॉपी करने का, जस्ट अल्ट प्रेस करके इसको बाहर ड्रैग करो तो एक पॉलीगन तैयार होकर आ जाएगा. देन कन्वर्ट टू वाइट कलर, black to white color in here, and just decrease polygon size. Now it's look good, and change corner radius value 46 pixel, select point and change pixel 18 was. Now we are creating this section. Press R, 198, and it's look good. And what we can do is select two times, and you can see here some points. Select this point and yep. And now add this point on the center 90 degree, and here it's look like. Now we are press O for ellipse, white. Select this both element and change color Okay, and now we are adding a character. We can change this width value, and now we are adding some this type of box for some option. So let's create this section. Press R, width 100, height is 90, and width 1380. Color change to black. 34. Gap between this entire element is 12 pixel, so please careful. Now we are change this cube type section value, so it's a little bit of smaller. So we are so now I'm change to more bigger. Now we are changing these points or entire points value. $24. Okay, so it's look good, and change this corner 46 to 40. Also change these values, and now little bit of 1 pixel we are increasing width. So some things you need to change manually. So, and now we are adding these icons here. Here is a search icon for search. Now we are adding a profile section here, and add profile here. So just copy this profile and I'm add it here. Shift it auto layout. Now adding a logo. So here is the logo. Okay, and now add a search, and you can see right side this search text character value, font value, and shift A to auto layout 12 pixel, and shift it to auto layout 30. We can change 31 odd number to even number. Now we are creating this type of text. So here is the basically this is the title and this is subtitle. So now we are creating a title here. So for title, just type build, and we are going to build, and 100 and 100 pixel their font value, and that font value, and go to flatten, double click and select so build, create your own character. So for that, So we need to create a O like this. So what we can do is, for that, press R for rectangle and match height and width of with this character, and just 60 pixel corner radius, outfill, add stroke. Now you can see here, this is the O, and own OWN, shift it auto layout here, O. Character. Now we are increase this font size, so 68 and 68, and shift it to auto layout. So here you can 20 pixel gap was good. Now we are adding a subtitle here. So here is a subtitle, and you can see right side the font value, and P for pen tool, and create this type of line, and it is part of a design. Now we are creating this type of button. So press R, match height and width, just on. What is the height? Height is 18. Now change the color, white, 18 pixel corner radius. Post your work and add your icon. Shift A to auto layout. Okay, now we are getting the same, this type of value but different. BUI build, and paste to replace. And now, so just no, we need SVG. Copy as SVG and edit here. Now we are changing our background value, background color, and text color also. So here you can see clear difference. Now add her content, and now we are adding these three elements to auto layout. Before creating this character, we are add right side this post description. For that, we are creating this type of section manually. Press B, the help of pen tool, fill black. Now it looks good. We are maintain gap between this section here. Now we are adding a subtitle. Edit here, and you can see right side the value of this text, and add arrow, change white color black to. Now we are adding this character, and you can see the double click, and now so 46 pixel radius, and now we are change this radius to 46. Okay, so it's look good, but we need to change it here 0 pixel. Now we are adding some pattern here like this. So just copy this icon, paste it here, 1 2 2, and select this, and change opacity 12%, and Okay, now we need to change their border radius to 64. Yeah, maybe 68. Okay, then we are add this post most achievement here. So for that we are creating this type of section, so just matching height and width. So you can create like this, black color there, and then opacity is 24, corner radius 24, effect background blur 12. Then add this type of icon here, and add this type of add text, select, drag and drop it here. Now just shift it to auto layout. So now you can see our design is ready, but one thing is we need to add one thing is this character. Okay, and add background. Now what we can do is we are adding some prototype and some cool things here. So for that we are now what we can now go to prototype and add here on click to while hovering, and instant to smart animate, easy now to custom spring, and you can see, and just add this value and go to design and change color to 75, and icon size is 28. Hug, we are changing hug to fix, and we are changing icon size 8. Okay, same we are changing same, we are add this value on each and every this option. We doesn't do any change it here, so delete it, and just we are remove some this option and just copy and edit here. Okay, now it's look good, so our design is ready.